How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm all right, thank you. What's your name?
I'm Evie Claire.
Evie Claire. How old are you?
I'm 13.
Okay, and where are you from, Evie?
I'm from a really small town in Arizona called Florence. There's like 5 prisons there, and yeah. And basically, there's not even a grocery store. There's a fast food place and a high school, and that's it.
So what happens if you want to buy milk?
We'd have to go like 30 minutes away.
Okay, so there's a lot of prisons there.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what else.
My dad works at the prison, and...
Well, he hasn't got much choice. Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me why you decided to enter America's Got Talent this year.
It's just always been my dream ever since I was little, and Sorry.
You take your time.
My family, about a year ago, my dad was diagnosed. Sorry. With stage 4 colon cancer, and they gave him a 5% chance to live, and he's still continuing working and supporting our family, and so tonight I'm here to sing for him.
What's the song you've decided to sing tonight?
I'm going to sing Arms by Christina Perri.
And tell me why you chose this song, Evie.
When my dad is having rough days, then I go into his room and I sing him this song to help him feel better and just to give him comfort and strength to continue fighting.
I get it. I get it. Evie, you've been really unbelievably brave with what you've told us tonight. Now I want you just to settle yourself for a little while, okay?
Some water for you. Here's a little water. Let me hold that for you while you do that.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you tell me if you have some. We're going to chill here all day and drink water if you need more. You good? All right, here you go. Okay.
You feeling better?
Yeah.
Okay, now this is the time I want to hear the best vocal you've ever done. Got it? Yeah?
You came around and you knocked me off the ground from the start. You put your arms